Hey guys, this is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here, then welcome to my channel. And guys, happy Diwali to all of you and Shubho Deepavali apnader shabaike. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about the newly launched Insight Cosmetics MOJO Lipstick. Basically this is a pack of 12 lipsticks and this is a new launch product by Insight. Maybe this is their Diwali launch, and when you open it, here are the 12 lipsticks. They says that in this range they have reds, pinks and nudes, but guys, I feel there are some purple wine kind of shades as well. So in this video I'm going to talk about the details of these lipsticks and also gonna show you the 12 shades. So let's start the video. But if you guys watching me for the first time, then make sure to click that subscribe button and hit that all notification bell so that you can get notified all the time whenever I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the Insight Cosmetics MOJO Lipstick, which is a set of 12 lipsticks. It retails for $5.99, where you're gonna get 3 grams of each lipstick, and here they have mentioned the ingredient list, and also they say this is dermatologically tested, toxin free, cruelty free and 100% vegan product. But guys, I don't think this is 100% vegan product because it has BUX on it. And that is how the lipstick looks like. Each lipstick comes with a different color coded packaging, and that is how the bullet looks like. And guys, I must say that 3 grams of this product is quite extra, so I can't consider it as a mini lipstick. And guys, this entire kit is available on Nykaa. I bought it from Nykaa and I will share the link into the description. Now let's jump into the swatches because I have to swatch a lot of lipsticks today. So yeah, let's move on to the swatches. So guys, these are pigment rich creamy matte lipsticks. It glides very smoothly, and also you just need a single swipe to get full opacity, and it looks beautiful on the lips. It doesn't highlight the creases and it looks really very beautiful. And guys, इन दिस काइंड ऑफ बुलेट्स क्या होता है कि आप जब अप्लाई करते हो तो बुलेट टूट जाता है कभी कभी, बट दिस बुलेट इज क्वाइट स्टडी. द ओनली थिंग इज यू हैव टू बी लिटिल केयरफुल व्हेन यू ओपन एंड शट द लीड. इस ये लग के बुलेट थोड़ा सा ख़राब हो सकती है. अदरवाइज ये बहुत ही मतलब एप्लीकेशन के टाइम पे you don't need to worry about it. And guys, it has a red, pink, nudes, like they have mentioned every shades here. But not only pink, they have some wine shades, they have some brown nude, they have some peachy nude as well. So ये एक बॉक्स में आपको मतलब सारे काइंड ऑफ शेड्स मिल जाएगा. And I think this is their Diwali launch, so if you are someone जिसको different colors every day पहनना पसंद है तो ये तो बॉक्स उनके लिए perfect रहेगा. And guys, now if we talk about the staying power of this lipstick, ये stay करता है 4 से 5 घंटे तक, because ये थोड़ा सा transfer होता है like that much. ये ट्रांसफ़र होता है, but still you can see there are a lot of color on my lips, so don't worry about that. And when I eat or drink something, it washes out from the center, and this is normal. अगर ऐसा ट्रांसफ़र होता है तो this is normal, but there is a tint was still there on the lips, which is a great thing about this product. And yeah, I like the finish of the lipstick. I like entire thing of the lipstick, so you can buy this one. And if you ask me the favorite shade, well, आपको अगर खरीदना है तो पूरा ही खरीदना है, तो क्या ही बोलो favorite shades के बारे में. तो yeah, if you are someone who likes to wear a different kind of shades every day, so this kit is for you guys. And yeah, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.